We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The southern part of what is now Yuli Township in Hualien County was settled in 1853 by 12 Hakka settlers from China's Guangdong province. The area became known as Kerencen, or Hakka City. Originally known as Waterwell Head, Suiguangtou, the Japanese then changed the name to Suiyuan, Water Spring, when they built a pond there. After retrocession, the government amalgamated the Hakka name and the original name to Wellspring City, Yuancen. The majority of Yuli residents are Hakka, especially the district's eastern side. Hello everyone, it's Joseph Lin with your Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。Alice
Pong 啊，上次去这个 Ongay 啊
，Ongay 啊，
买了很多漂亮的衣服 ，You bought a lot of beautiful dresses, and that's why 身为暗奖应该这样子。
暗子 say 哦。
哎呀，哪里。So do you always like dress up like this, going to work? You know， 我不知道要怎么说，你每天都是这样子漂漂亮亮打扮去上班吗？
抽啊，当然
抽就是
对。
抽就是对。哦，好复杂，好，错就是对啊，没错。哦、so Alice, you always dress like this to work, huh?
当然打扮讲去上班。
哎 ，come again one more time.
就是每天打扮的漂漂亮亮去上班。
哦，每天穿的打扮的漂漂亮亮去上班。Yes, she dresses like this, very beautifully to work every day. So let's break it down a little bit. Okay, 每天是每日是不是？
对，当日。
打扮哦，就打扮嘛。
讲就是漂亮、啊，
听起来好可爱。
暗讲
讲就是漂漂的样子，很漂亮 ，which means pretty.
He 上班
就是 going to work. Yeah, 我这个漂亮我一定要学好。讲哦，所以水妹讲也可以吗？水妹讲或者水妹暗讲。
水妹暗讲。
哦 ，OK. This is very useful, especially for those people who go to work. You want to say some nice words to your female coworkers. You can say 讲。Let's have that whole sentence one more time. Every day I go to work dressed up beautifully. How you say that?
当日打扮讲去上班。
Let me try this. 当日
打扮讲去上班。
Hey, there you go. So that's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
师母大家张来了，
安子 say。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.